discuss about control statements. Control statements are used to control the flow of a program. They allow you to make decisions, execute code repeatedly, and also handle exceptions. So these are the uses. We'll talk about conditional statements. In this, we'll discuss about if else, if elif else. So we'll talk about first one is if condition and code to be executed if the condition is true. If else, if condition code to be executed, same like first one. Else, code to be executed if the condition is false. If elif else, as usual, like above, if condition is same, then elif. Here in this case, if condition 1, elif condition code to be executed if condition is true. Here condition 1 is true. Likewise, we need to validate. Okay. Next, else hash condition code to be executed if all of above are false. This way, if elif else works, then we'll talk about if looping statements. In looping, we have for while loop or to while. We'll discuss about for variable in iterable code to be executed in each iteration. A for loop is used iterate over sequences such as lists, tuples, string, etc. Then while condition as code to be executed as long as condition is true. And also we can discuss break statement with while condition hash code if some condition break. We'll also discuss continue statement with for variable in iterable continue. Hash code here will be skipped if some condition is true. Now we'll discuss about some examples for if elif else. One program wherein we'll have to decide whether the provided number is equivalent to 0 or it is positive number or it is negative number. So what is the logic? We'll check it out. Number equal to 0 if number greater than 0 print positive. Elif number equal to 0 print 0 else print negative. So this is the example for Python if else elif statement. We'll also discuss the example for Python nested num equal to 100 if num greater than equal to 0 if num double equal to 0 print num is 0 else print num is positive else print num is negative. So this is the example for nested if. We'll test it this one. So we'll save it. File save as if all files save type all types Python. What is num expected colon. Okay. We have fixed it. Expected again here. This also we have fixed it. Num is positive. Number 100, so it is given positive. Suppose we'll try to execute num equal to -5. We'll see. Now it should come negative. Yeah, good. Suppose I'll give 0. It should print num is 0. Yeah, good. In next session, we'll discuss about for loop examples, while loop examples. We'll stop it here.